Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about the formation of degrees. It has three kinds. First is a positive, second is a comparative and third one is a superlative. Positive form is the base form of adjective. Comparative is used when we want to compare two persons or two things. Superlative degree is used when we want to compare more than two persons or things. If you want to capture this, you can take it. Now I am going to tell you some rules of degrees. First is a positive degree, second is a comparative, and third one is a superlative. Rule number 1, where you will just add er or est at the end of the word. According to your rule, you will just add er in comparative degree or est in superlative degree. You can see the example: bright, brighter, brightest, bold, bolder, boldest, clever, cleverer, cleverest. We have just added er in the comparative degree, est in the superlative degree. Rule number 2, when E is already mentioned at the end of the word, then what you will do? You have to just add R in comparative degree or ST in superlative degree, because E is already mentioned at the end of the word, like brave, fine, noble. This one is your second rule. Rule number 3, where I is mentioned at the end of the word, then what you will do? You will replace word Y with I and then add er or est. You can see example: dry, drier, driest, happy, happier, happiest. This was in your rule number 3. Next, come on the rule number 4. We have just added er or est and we have doubled the last letter, like B double G, bigger. Why we have doubled this? See this. This is a consonant and this one is a consonant and this one is a vowel. If consonant word is followed by the vowel, then we will double our last letter. Like you can see, this one is a vowel, this one is a consonant, this one is a vowel, and this one is a consonant. Then what you will do? You will just double the last letter, then add er or est. Rule number 5. These are the only two words where we will not change y with I, like we have changed in the rule number 3. Gay, grey. You have to just add er or est. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Now come on the rule number 6. Here, in place of er or est, I have added more or most. What is the rule for more or most? Because you can count the vowel in this letter: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the 5 vowels. You can count the in difficult word: 1, 2, 3. Here are the 3 vowels. If more than 2 vowels come in the one single word, then you have to just add more in comparative degree, most in superlative degree. Rule number 7. According to rule number 7, you have to just learn these degrees. No one rule applied to these degrees. Like I have added bracket, like bad or evil. These have the same form: worse or worst, much or many. These have the same form: more or most. No one rule we can apply above mentioned 6. Now I am going to tell you about one logic. If after dash then word is mentioned, you will use second degree. If before dash the word is mentioned, you will use third degree. You can see example: Sonu is a dash boy. Here is nothing, then or the nothing, then we will use positive degree, that is a clever. Sonu is cleverer than Monu. Here we are comparing Sonu to Monu. That means this one is a superlative degree, comparative degree. You can see the then word here. This is a then word. Then automatically we will write here second degree, that is a cleverer. Sonu is the cleverest among all. Cleverest. We are comparing Sonu to other with all. That means more than 2. Then we will use here superlative degree. You can see the word the before. You can see the word the before dash, then you will use third degree. If word then come after the dash, you will use second degree. If word the come before the dash, you will use third degree. Thank you friends.